How to access your earnings and trip history in Uber. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Uber driver application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, you will be led to the homepage of Uber Driver. In here, tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen, and further you will see the option for earnings. Tap on that. In the interface that you will then be led to, you will be able to see your total earnings, and if you want to see your detailed earnings, then tap on the See Details option there, and further tap on the See Earnings Activity option. Now, go ahead and select the particular date earning you want to check, and you will be able to see the earning for that particular date. So, this is how you can access your earnings and trip history in Uber. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.